some renovations here. Let me show you everything. Here's our shower. It used to be just a shower, but now there's so much more. Bubbles. And this is our wardrobe. Outfits, glasses, hats, and say cheese. Here's the kitchen. So what do we have here? The living room, my favorite room. Oh, almost forgot. We now have a vegetable garden. So we're waiting for everyone to visit.
Pick your own thing to do. Let's go water the garden. Look after animals. Join us. It will be fun.
Anyone ordered a pizza? Yummy. Want a bite?